Good morning my friends. So nakapagkape na ako, nakaligo na ako. So maganda yung araw ngayon. The weather is good. As you can see, it's sunny. So I'm going out today and I already full charge my power banks and all my coffee box is ready right there. So in the time check, it's 9 a.m. So I woke up in the morning around 8. So now I already relaxed myself, had the coffee, and let's move. Keep moving. I'll see you in the trail. So alam niyo naman, lagi akong handa. This is all my previous stuff from last week's. Of course, I buy my new Astron AI. I don't know what's that name. So all my propane, my groceries are there. I forgot what's in here. Maybe the heater, my radio. Of course, is my electronics. All my electronics are all here. So this is what I hate in the traveling packing up, so I need to go 2 to 3 times back and forth to load all of this. Of course, don't forget your tire inflators. So already load everything. This is my last batch before I will go, but the problem is I am my friend DJ is delaying me, still charging up. So I forgot to charge this last night. So nakalabas na naman ako mga kaibigan. Kailan ba kayo sasama sa akin? Let's go to the wildness of the mountains in British Columbia. Alright, traffic syempre pag weekend, palaging traffic. I'll see you there. This is the best part of the trip. Super traffic, you know. Oh, I'm free again, my friend. It's nice to be free sometimes. In the highway. View. Marami na lang ganito. Puro sa green. You know? Green trees. Blueberries. May mga blueberries yung mga yan. Ang dami, oh. Ganda talaga ng view pag nagbibiyahe ka. Nakaka-relax. Hindi ka pag mag-bike, ano. Puro green tree. Tapos may truck pa. Ayun, tataniman na naman nila ito ng ano, mga berries. Yan. Talaga, oh. Look at the view. Ito yung kinasabi nilang farm of siguro sana ba ako, baka mission pa rin to, mission PC. Yung mga nito, pantay-pantay yung mga bukid, no? Linis dito, no? Tignan nyo naman yung mga bahay, mga farm. Yan, farm lang ito, eh. Mga farm dito, maayos, malinis. Parang ano lang siya, eh. Parang lang siyang tourist spot. Parang playground. Oh, balik tayo sa linya. Ayan bukid na naman dun, no? Uy, dilim na. It's getting darkness. We see darkness now inside the heart of this forest. So just take note, it's just like this. But once you're out of these trees, then it will be sunny. Okay, it's just like this. So this trail is covered with trees. So once you get out, maybe a kilometer away, now it will show the beauty of the lake and then the trail. Just drive slowly here actually. There's a lot of potholes actually on this trail. So just deflate to at least 20 psi. Okay? And drive slow. And there are also loggers today with 18-wheeler trucks, I think. And they are very fast on this trail. Especially on the lower portion of the trail. Okay. Just only tested the video capturing for the DJI on that part of the trail where there's a huge lake, but still we are maybe few kilometers to reach our destination, and then we will fly our drone there. We're going down slowly, right? Because at the somewhere here there's a big uneven roads or trailing or landscape here. So a little bit, but not too much. Just go like this, ups and downs. Trail, like a what? Watch out. So I choose this spot because I have a table ready and I have a pit here for my bonfire and 3 logs. Look at this, 3 again. Like what I've got at Chehalis, but I can't go there. Okay. So from that area, I changed my mind and I am going down here. It's by the river. I think it's better here. We'll go down maybe all the way there. It's a nice stream here. So I settled here. So same thing, I have an Angry BC 5 feet, same thing. So this is a setup. So this is very good to have this extra awning. So you know, in the sun there you have a shade here against the wind. Very nice. Woo. So this is our basic setup, right? That's it. Cool. Cool. And then I will tent because I don't have a rooftop. Have a nice big view. Then you have good food here. Vegetarians, vegetable and egg and rice. And my old coffee. And my rice. And my nice easy sit up table. Right here. Aluminum. Very strong. cycle part 2. I went to the camp from top hill. If nobody's there, so these are the leftovers. So save $20 for that free bonfire. So I finish arranging my newly found gems from the uphill campsite. Actually, these are the leftover, or I just recycled the firewoods. At least I saved $20, right? And the sun's still up, as you can see. Sunset coming soon. It's now 7:30. So still warm, so we will fire this up. We'll be smoking maybe around 8 p.m. And then obviously don't forget your lighter. This is very important. And it's a coincidence that I brought with me my mini wagon and to carry my gems. These are the gems, you know. And then we will fire up later on. And bring gloves too, you know. I always bring gloves sometimes to carry all of these things. So right now we are relaxing, you know. Relaxing with the favorite brand, you know. So we are not promoting this thing. We just want to drink it. Alright? Tastes good. Okay. So I'm just nearby the stream right here. So I went down the what do you call this, the landscape, just to get close with the lake. In camping you don't need to spend too much, you know. If you could save, just save, you know. If you could find firewoods around, or if you it doesn't matter when even though the price of the gasoline is going high, spiking crazy, it doesn't matter. Will not stop me, or will not, don't get stopped on what you're doing, you know. It's already 8 p.m. so I'm gonna show you where I am going to sleep tonight in the tent. I'm gonna show you. So we will get this lamp. So this is my tent. So I have my folding bed there, and then my sleeping bags, and then I can put my lamp here later on the top. So there are pockets where you can put your cell phones, electronics, and your toothbrush or anything, and you have more space here. If you want to transient with me, pay me $20 per night. Okay, so this is my bed, home sweet home, inside my awnings, so you know, against the wind. But the problem is I am in front of the wind of the lake. So I hope it will be fine tonight. So we'll be sleeping here. It's dark now. Alright, it's getting dark now. But I have to eat first. Look at the fire, so big. Alright. See the one. It's like a hell. That is called bonfire. Yes, burning. Yeah, look at that. That's a real bonfire, man. Look at that. night, my friends. So I'm already in my tent, and I feel more comfortable sleeping in the tent right now because it has more space rather than in the car. In the car is okay, it's warmer there, and in the tent I have has some vents, but I put my tent inside my car's awning, so it's warm now in here. Good morning, my friends. It's almost 9 a.m. Look at the view. Today. See? Nice. Nice. So I'm gonna make some coffee now. I was not able to sleep well last night because it's too loud. It's too noisy. This water, this stream is so, as you can hear it, noisy water. Stream. Okay, let's make some coffee now. And do you know the feeling? Oh my goodness, it's chilly, but it's balanced, you know? Oh my god, look at that fire. Oh shit. Look at that fire. Look at that. This metal is adding up some heat. This metal here. Yeah, it's made of metal. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. What now? I have only 3 cans of beer. That's it, no more. Tomorrow will be coffee, and coffee. So I put all my mini propane, my mini setup here. And then later on, after this cook, I will move on the other side. Okay? And then around 5 p.m., 6 p.m., I'm moving out from this campsite. Rob, I have a visitor. What are you eating there? Okay, Doogie, go home now. Your dad's calling you. Okay. So we can do kayaking here as well, or paddle boarding is good. It's fun, you know. If you have a paddle board or your mini kayak is also fun. Of course, I'm all packed. Everything is inside the car and just the awning, and I'm going back to Vancouver. Okay, so everything, so we have to check everything. It's all set. It's still moving. It's still moving. So I have to tighten this more, and I will go. Alright. See you next time. Alright. Thank you. Thank you, beautiful nature. See you next time. I'm set. I'm ready to go. Around some friends. I don't see other probable group here, but I see small car here. And Land Cruiser I met in the morning. Just go around there, and then there's some people on the top. Okay, see you next time. I'm going.